This side still needs to be done, but I don't know if you guys can see this. The bonnet is done. Process here. Good morning everyone, and this is a few days later from when the car was serviced and got new tires, etc, etc. So I just came to fetch the car by my dad quickly. He was using the car for a few days. I think he's still going to use it when I'm done with it today. So that's a good confidence drive for me as well, knowing that he's driving the car all is sharp, no complaints. I'm going to have the car's bonnet and bumper polished. I might just polish the whole car. So on the bonnet and on the fender, I'll add an overlay now. You'll see there are some spots of I don't know what, but it does come off with a bit of effort, so might just be worth a polish just to make the car's paint pop a bit more. So I am still within the 24-hour prep window, although it is on a different day, but time wise I'm still in 24 hours, so hopefully we can get that sorted out quickly. I have a family member that does a lot of car related work, so he'll probably sort it out for me, and yeah, we'll see how far we get, and I'm hoping everything will be sorted out by the time I'm done with the car today. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys once the polishing mob is on. This still needs to be done, so that's the difference that you can see. Color on the bonnet is also way more white. To continue any further with any work, we needed some food. Yeah, I'm driving around with my Musketeer. This side of the car still needs to be done. So this side obviously will look very tough now because it's been flattered, but the end result is gonna look amazing. Let's get back to work. I don't know how much of this you can see, but the one is polished and the one hasn't been polished yet. But yeah, this fender is shiny. Process here. So we first flat with sandpaper, 2000 carat. You rub a whole lot of polish on the car. Well, not a whole lot, but strata polish. Polish with the polisher. Glaze with the instant detailer. And then you get this finish. Polish, again, I don't know what it is, but let's call it the debris of the polish goes all over, and the polisher will touch these things, and that's why I cover it. So when we're done, just pull it off instead of having to clean. It's a cutting compound. not just a shield or a relic polish you just wipe on and wipe off. That is basically done. Now we get to the actual problem. Stuff that was on the bonnet, it's all off. There's the stone chips, but once the car gets sold, they will touch that up. Yeah, that's what we got now. On the other side now, the car obviously still needs to be washed. So that's what we're sitting with now. So the side still needs to be done, but I don't know if you guys can see this. Bonnet is done. So let's carry on. So this will also remove all the fine scratches and all the marks on the paint. And the polisher will just come finish it all off. It's a bit too deep, but it's lighter at least. Same with this one, but these are honest scratches, no dents. There was a few here as well, but they're off now. This one is too deep, like I mentioned. That one is also too deep, but the polisher should lighten this even further, but whatever we could take out was taken out. So we're almost done, and then we're gonna polish the side. Common spot that's always there. The back one just needs to be clean now, but even the door handle looks nice. That's coming off the paint, and that's some of that stuff. So if you wash the car, you wouldn't have seen this dirty color water. So it's obviously helps with that as well, and when we're done, this will look spotless. Another rinse, but yeah, this car looks absolutely stunning now. White is always right.
Since kami shorted net serong mo ba?
It is evening now, so good evening everyone. It has been a long day. So the car's polished and the white is white, bright white. Couldn't take cinematics of the car because we finished quite late, but I don't know if this is doing it justice.
I should take it the pic.
Yes, Cruz, we're taking a pic.
We're taking the pic of the white car.
Yes, Puta. You like this car?
Yes.
The engine bay is clean with a bit more detail. The guys at the car wash, normally there's someone that does that, but he wasn't there when I did it the other day, so they just lightly cleaned it, but all in the holes and stuff is like that. That's clean now. So yeah, the car looks very nice, and this is how I want the car to look, and it has a factory finish, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm very happy with this car. It drives very nice as well. So this car is basically ready to be sold now. Let me know what you guys think. Was the polish necessary? Is it something that you would have done? And do you think the car itself looks better now? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel grow. The drive-by and the Polo Vivo.